it's Megan G and I'm back with another hair tutorial. In this hair video, I will be installing a 13x6 deep wave burgundy frontal wig. Now my client wants a, I guess you could call it somewhat of an updo, but it's like a half up and half down, slick back ponytail type like hairstyle. This is my first time doing a style like this, and y'all know me, I'm always up for a challenge. So when she told me this is what she wanted to do, I was like, okay girl, I got you. We're gonna have you right for these graduation pictures, okay? But anyways, y'all, if this is a style that you like or something that you're interested in doing and you want to learn how to do this style, just sit back and continue to watch this video.
Girl, you know what's up. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. You know what's up. I know what's up. Said I'm begging on you, and I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up. What's up? People find that I'm zoning, right around 2 in the morning. Loud with the sound of the song. Coming on, girl, you got me wide open, waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't front, taxi cheap, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, you know that I'm about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know what's up, what's up. Say I'm big on you, and I'm on you. So tell me what's up. I'm big. Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe. Them no big kill my vibe. No big kill, them no big kill, them no big kill my eyes not set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her, it's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you don't depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything wants taking, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I play your candle light. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, this is my rhythm. Don't take my energy from your partner. In my past, don't say I'm my healer. Everything I desire, I'm gonna receive my rhythm. Flow like a river.
Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings ever been this faded. Maybe this is karma, definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my crazy feelings. 1 minute I'm cold and then the next I'm slipping on. With somebody new, I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind, she's still on my mind. Yeah, we build it up, just to let it wash away. Tell me, did I lace you up, just to watch you run away? Please tell me who's getting on my love, Who's getting all my love? Tell me who's getting all my time? All of that used to be mine. Oh, who did you teach what I taught you? Why did I give her my nickname? I don't like thinking about it. I swear that it's wearing me down. Tell me who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Love, 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 oh my love.
It ain't your spit cane, it's your dick cane. That got me walking around ready to wear your big chain. I only argue with them when the Lakers on. Other than that, I'm getting my Mark Jacobs on. Game so cold that he always seem to come back, cause he know that it be a rap when I'm riding it from the back. Wait, oh, let me see your phone, cause all them bitches is ratchet. And now let me get in my truck, cause all them bitches are catch it.
Paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've put enough of shoes. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Doing my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages, talking a lot. I forgot you love me, you love me, you love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m., gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days, don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Today they pass today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love. Still love, nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. Don't be sleep past 1 a.m.
Okay, y'all, so spoiler, my camera cut off. The battery died in the middle of me finishing this style, but I did get pictures. So here are the pictures. As y'all can see, this hairstyle came out so cute. Oh my god, look at the color. It's just so vibrant and it came out so cute. It looks so natural, and this hairstyle is perfect for her graduation pictures, y'all. This is her sneak peek of her senior pictures. She is so pretty. My girl is ready for graduation. I cannot believe she's graduating already. Oh my god, I remember when she was born. But anyway, I'm not gonna get sentimental, but anyways, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. I hope that y'all liked it. And again, if you have not subscribe, like, comment, share. And I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.